Welcome everyone to Home Cooking is for the Birds. We hope you're enjoying our channel and we hope you'll come back and visit us for more great recipes. Be sure to share with your friends. So let's just go ahead and jump in here and get started. I've got 1 pound of turkey sausage, and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I'm going to add a little olive oil. Turkey sausage doesn't have a lot of oil in it, and so we want to keep this from sticking. I'm going to add a half a cup of water. We want some moisture in there. Give it a stir. And now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. This is so good. It's so flavorful. And if you don't want all that red pepper, you can cut back on this because it is spicy. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of onion, diced onion, and another half a cup of water. And I'm going to cover this and let those onions cook for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil. This is my big boy skillet. I don't have a lid for it. So you can cover it with aluminum foil if you don't have a lid. And then take that off, and there we go. Our onions are cooking. It's looking good. This is so super easy. We're going to use coleslaw. I actually got this recipe off of Pinterest. I kind of tweaked it to our taste. Whoever came up with this, it's such a great recipe. I'm going to cover that again with tin foil. And you're going to want to check that about every 5 minutes. We're checking to make sure there's moisture in there so that that coleslaw mix can cook. And I'm checking again. It looks like we need a little more water, so I'm adding another half a cup. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little black pepper. That's optional. I just like to pepper. We do like our food spicy. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it a stir. We're almost done. And about 5 minutes later, here it is. It was so good. It was just so flavorful, and it's very spicy. So again, cut back on that red pepper flakes if you don't want it spicy. This is a wonderful, quick recipe. So easy. And I did omit the ginger because my husband and I don't like a lot of ginger. But you can add ginger to this. It'll taste just probably as close to an egg roll as you can get without the wrap. And have you ever wondered why they call an egg roll when it doesn't even have egg in it? I actually tried to Google that. There's different theories out there. So what I'm guessing maybe is originally the wrap had egg in it, or maybe it was an egg. If you have the answer to that, just comment below. I would love to know.